Greetings, you are on the Bear Armory channel. Today we are going to talk about a new brand of PCP rifles, or rather the brand is not new, but it has recently started producing pneumatics. Meet Kervan Arms, another air rifle manufacturer from Turkey. It seems that Turks are trying to squeeze out traditional airgun manufacturers. I have already said that pneumatics is a new thing, but the brand is old, so the fact is that Kervan Arms, as in most such cases, specializing in firearms, has now entered the airgun market with a whole line of PCP rifles under the common brand Airboss. The range of Airboss products is very wide, as many as 18 models, both with traditional tubular tank and with flask. All 18 models are called Airboss, but have different prefixes in the form of numbers and letters. For example, walnut stocks have the index K, more precisely Airboss K6. Tactical versions have letter R, for example Airboss KR1. The line of models with camouflage design elements has the prefix KX and bullpups XP. All of them have side bolt and are available in 177, 22 and 25 caliber. The magazine capacity is 14 rounds in the 177 caliber and 12 rounds in the 22 caliber. The magazine capacity is 10 rounds in the 25 caliber. The muzzle energy is 29 joules in the 177 caliber, 50 joules in the 22 caliber and 60 joules in the 25 caliber. Bullet velocity reaches 1,100 pounds per second.
What interesting and unusual guns do you remember? Do you know? Be sure to share your opinions in the comments. If you like this video, please click on the like button. You can support me by teasing about my stuff, subscribe to the channel, make sure you click on the bell button not to miss any new videos and be updated on the latest news. Take care of yourself and your loved ones. Thanks to everyone. Bye bye.